Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of online income. If you've ever wondered how to make money without spending a dime upfront, you're in the right place. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or someone looking to boost their financial situation, stick around because we've got some valuable insights coming your way. Let's kick things off with becoming a virtual assistant. Picture this. You're the behind-the-scenes hero for busy entrepreneurs and small businesses. As a virtual assistant, you'll handle tasks like managing social media accounts, scheduling appointments, and handling customer inquiries. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and specialized VA job boards are your go-to places for finding gigs. Plus, the best part? You can start without any upfront investment. Are you a research enthusiast? Well, put those skills to work. Companies crave accurate information, and that's where you come in. As an online researcher, you'll dig up market trends, competitive analyses, and relevant data. Think of it as being a digital detective. Companies like Wonder and 10EQS often hire online researchers. And guess what? Freelance platforms like Upwork and Indeed are treasure troves for research gigs. Transcription time. Content creators, podcasters, and businesses need their spoken words transformed into written gold. That's where you step in. Transcribing audio and video files is a valuable skill. Platforms like Rev and TranscribeMe offer opportunities for transcription work. Grab your headphones and keyboard and let's turn spoken content into cash. Here's the bonus round: affiliate marketing. Imagine recommending products you genuinely love and earning commissions when someone buys through your unique link. It's like being a trusted advisor to your audience. Explore affiliate programs on platforms like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, and CJ Affiliate. Remember, authenticity matters. Congratulations! You've just unlocked the potential to make money online without spending a dime upfront. Whether you choose virtual assistants, research gigs, transcription, or dive into affiliate marketing, take action today. Your financial journey starts now. Thank you for joining us. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with friends who dream of financial freedom. Until next time, stay curious, stay motivated, and keep earning online. This is Isa Trend, signing off.